Tired of wrestling with shipping logistics and ready to supercharge your Shopify store? Let's integrate Shiprocket with Shopify and streamline your entire shipping process in just a few minutes. First, head over to your Shopify admin panel on the left-hand menu. Click on Apps. Now, click on the Shopify App Store button in the search bar. Type Shiprocket and hit Enter. Find the Shiprocket app in the search results. Click on it to open the app page, then click the Add App button. Shopify will ask you to grant permissions to Shiprocket. Review the permissions carefully, and then click the Install App button to proceed. You will now be redirected to the Shiprocket app within your Shopify admin. Here, you will either be prompted to log in with your existing Shiprocket credentials or create a new Shiprocket account if you don't already have one. Once connected, Shiprocket automatically syncs your Shopify orders, calculates shipping rates, allows you to print shipping labels, and provides real-time tracking information for your customers, streamlining your e-commerce operations. Congratulations, you've successfully integrated Shiprocket with your Shopify store. Now you can automate your shipping, save valuable time, and focus on growing your business. Happy selling!